Hi friends, you can connect iron for various purposes without having to have welding skills. In this video I will show you how to connect a hollow steel box using only rivets, even though this connection very strong. Okay, now let's see how to make it. Make a cutting line with the same size and pattern on the two pieces of iron to be joined. Make a marker that can distinguish the parts that will be removed after cutting so that you don't make mistakes when cutting. Cut at the marked part. After that, remove the parts that are not needed. Bend the part upwards 90 degrees will be used as a connection lock. After the two parts of the connection are cut according to the pattern, the joining process becomes very easy. Put them together and lock the second one, parts using rivets, then these two irons will be connected very strongly. Very easy, isn't it? Good luck. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video if you like it.